To charge a Redmi Buds 8 Lite, all you have to do is just to use any cable that you have next to you. So in my case, I'm using a double USB-C cable from my Vivo smartphone, and you can connect this into your charger brick or even into your phone. Take a look. I just connect this into my phone and it start charging earbuds and charging case. Just make sure that earbuds are inside, and then you close the case, so it will actually start charging them. You can use any cable that you have, you can use any power adapter, but as you can see, you don't even have to, because you can connect them straight into any device like TV, game console, or for example into your smartphone. And I'm even using this power adapter from Motorola with 125 watts, so don't worry, you are not gonna damage your earbuds, because they're gonna automatically limit the charging speed to the maximum one that it supports.